Oh. Okay, has it started?
Yes, it started.
Okay. I'm going to show you how to make a paper crane. If you're starting out with a rectangle paper like I am, you're going to fold it down like this.
Oh! Okay.
And then once it looks like this, you're going to take the bottom part, the rectangle, and you're going to fold it up and then back.
What's your name? Okay, I'm going to
now, if you have scissors, you're going to cut down where this line is, if you can see it. Yeah, this line right here. But if you don't, you're going to keep on folding it until the crease gets weak so that you can rip it apart. Now that you have it like this, you're gonna open it up like a square. Into a square. Like this.
Yes.
Now you're going to fold it parallel vertically and then horizontally.
I want to go with a different one. Sorry.
Now that you have it like this, you're going to turn it around to look like a diamond, and then you're going to fold it vertically and hold it horizontally again. Your paper now should look like this. And what you're going to do is that you're going to fold it down into a triangle. And once you fold it down to a triangle, you're going to take this section, you're going to put your thumb in here, and then you're going to take your pointer finger and put it on top. And you're going to pull inward. Then you're going to flatten that out. And now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to flatten that out again. Once it looks like this, like a smaller square or smaller diamond, you're going to take the side that goes like this, that opens up at the bottom. So this you're gonna have it facing like this, where this part opens up, and you're going to take one of the flaps and you're gonna fold it into the center. And then you're gonna do that to the other side. And then you're gonna, what you did on this side, you're gonna do again on the other side. It should look like this now. And what you're going to do is that you're going to take the top section and you're going to fold it down on both sides. So frontward, well, backwards, and then frontward. And you're going to keep on doing that until there's a crease. Once there's that crease, you can see it a bit if I angle it. You're going to take the bottom of this shape, and you're going to pull upwards until, wait, let me do that again. You're going to take this, and you're going to pull upwards. You're going to push out the corners so that it can fold correctly, and then you're going to push the top. Well, you're going to slide up like this so that the top looks like this. And then you're going to do that on the other side. Now you should have something similar to this. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take the legs, this section, and you're gonna take this flap of the leg and you're gonna fold it again into the center. And then you're gonna do that with this side, then you're gonna turn around and do it again. So it should look like this once you get the first side down, and then you're gonna turn around and do it again on the opposite side. And it should look something like this. Now you're going to take one of the legs and you're going to pull it up like this until it looks like this. Now you can either fold this part down to make a head, or you can keep that side as the tail. That's your choice. And then you're gonna go turn it around. You're gonna do the same thing again. You're gonna pull it up and you're gonna fold it down. And then for the final step, you're going to slightly pull on the wings like this until the top has a box look to it. And there you go. That's your paper dove. That's it.
Thank you very much, Daniela.